Okay, hey everybody. I got a broomstick. I put orange tape on it to make it look pretty. And I'm gonna try this because I think it looks really fun. I'm gonna put my head on this. I'm gonna spin until I'm really dizzy. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna try to run that into the driveway, back over to here, as many times as I can before I get too dizzy or I fall down. Okay. Oh God. Oh my God. My neighbor's fucking retarded right now. Okay. Okay. I didn't spin long enough last time, so I'm redoing it. And this is why it sucks for me. Because for some reason I do these videos, I don't put these on it. Left hand. Okay. Since this obviously isn't working out, I'm going to do this one last time. I'm going to spin for a minute. I'm going to count. I might want to fast forward till it's over. But I don't know how long it's actually going to be if I don't count right. I'll be spinning for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to try to stand up. No. Okay. I'm going to spin on this for a minute. And then I'm just going to try to stand up and spin in a circle. See how long I can spin before I fall over. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't stand up. Holy crap. It's only been about 30 seconds, I think. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, ow! 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 60. Obviously, video sucks, but I just went through all that, so I'm gonna upload it. I think I'm gonna throw up.